Assalamu alaikum dear students. In last video you'll have already learned structure of leaf and flower in detail. In this session we will start with the functions of different parts of a plant. Today you will learn to identify the different parts of a plant and to describe how the different parts of the plant work. That is nothing but functions of different parts of a plant. First we will see what are plants and why are they important to us. Plants are an important part of human life and vegetation as well. They are very beneficial to us and give us a lot of things. We are surrounded by plants, but have you ever stopped to notice the different parts of a plant? Yes, you all must have. All parts of plant are important and carry out different functions. That means each part of a plant is very important and they carry out their own function. All of them come together to perform their respective functions for a healthy life of a plant. We will dig deep into the parts of the plant and their functions. Can you name the parts of a plant? First, roots, stem, leaf and flower. These are the four important parts of the plant. There are other parts of the plant, but in today's session we are specifically going to learn these four parts of a plant. Let's begin with roots. Functions of root. A plant has roots that grow in the ground. This underground part plays a very important role in pulling the water and minerals so they can reach the plant. Furthermore, it also expands within the ground so that for better water absorption, the water increases. Roots are basically found underground and they absorb water and minerals from the ground. Roots expand or grow deep into the ground to find water for the plant for healthy growth. Roots also play important role in anchoring the plant. That means root supports the plant to stand still and straight in its place. It gives stability to the plant. In addition, roots also fuse the development of the plant and stock reserve food materials. These are different types of roots given. Can you see in the picture given below that roots are found underground and they are tube-like structure which helps to absorb water and minerals for the plant from the soil. This is again a root of a tree. Can you see the length or the size of the roots? Yes, this tree has very big roots. Now why this tree has very big roots? To find water from deep inside the ground, or they spread wide to find water for healthy growth of the plant. Let's come to the second part of the plant, stem. The stem is the part that stays above the ground. Just above the root, you all will find stem. A stem usually bears leaves, fruits, plus flowers. That means leaves, fruits, and flowers are all attached to the stem. It distributes the nutrients and minerals all the way from the plant to the leaves. That means it collects water and nutrients from the roots and distributes these nutrients and water to the leaves. Not only one leaf, to all the leaves of the flower. Furthermore, The stem is the support system of the plant. It helps the plant, just like root, it helps the plant to stand straight. It supports the plant to stand straight. You must have observed it, if the stem of the plant is weak, the plant falls off. These plants are called as creepers. But if the stem of the plant is strong, the plant will go straight tall. Moreover, the thorns of a stem protect it from animals as well. Then, the growth of a stem takes place upwards, allowing leaves to reach the sunlight for photosynthesis. It helps the plant to grow tall and straight. Let's see different types of plant stem. These two, the pictures given are nothing but are of plant stems. This is a trunk, a tree trunk. In small plants, this it is called as stem. Whereas if the plant grows into a tree, the stem is converted into trunk. The third part of the plant is leaf. Let's see what are the functions of leaves. Leaves capture sunlight to make food for the plant. This process is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide, and gives out oxygen and glucose. It is safe to say that a leaf is one of the most important parts of the plant. Why? Why leaf is considered as one of the most important part of the plant? Because leaves prepare food for the sunlight. It contains chlorophylls which assist in the plant in preparation for food, which helps the plant in preparation for food. Moreover, the veins of the leaf allow the flowing of nutrients plus water. Again, the functions of leaves are to prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. These are different types of leaves. Leaves are present in different size and shapes. Each plant has its own individual type, specific or different types of leaves. The fourth part of the plant is flower. Let us see the functions of flower. They are the reproductive part of most plants. It is in the flower that seeds start to grow. Their petals are colorful to attract insects. The bright and beautiful part of the plant which you see is nothing but a flower. And flower helps the plant in reproduction and the production of seeds. A flower has female as well as male parts. Both of these female and male parts work collectively to fertilize the plant so it can produce seeds. A flower consists of four basic parts, which are petal, sepal, stamen, and carpel. Stamen is divided into two parts, anther and filament. Carpel is divided into two parts, stigma and style. Petals are bright and colorful, which helps in attracting the insect. Sepal is the outer covering of the plant, which protects the plant before it opens. And ovary is present at the bottom of the flower, which consists of ovum, where the fertilization takes place. The male part is carpel and the female part is stamen. You'll have already studied parts of a flower in the previous session. Now we will see different types of flower. Each plant has its own different and individual type of flower, and as you all can see in the picture given below, all the flowers are bright and colorful. Few or we can say most of the flowers have fragrance in them, which also helps in attracting insects. Insects help the plant in pollination. We will study what is pollination in detail in the next session. Let me ask you a question. Which of the following is the female part of the plant? Yes. Which of the following is the female part of the plant? Yes, it is stamen. Let's see what you learned today. Question 1. What do the roots of a plant do? Option A, make food for the plant. B, take up water and help the plant keep steady in the soil. The correct answer is option B, take up water and help the plant keep steady in the soil. Which part of the plant make food then? It's leaf. Next question. Question number 2. What does the stem of a plant do? You all can read the options. Option A, anchor the plant into the soil. Option B, carries water around the plant and helps keep the plant upright. What is the correct answer? Yes, it is option B, carries water around the plant and helps keep the plant upright. As we already studied that stem collects the water from the root and transport it to leaves and helps the plant to stand straight or upright. Next question. Question 3. What do leaves of a plant do? You all can read the options. Option A, take in light and help make food for the plant. Option B, help support the plant. So what's the correct answer? It is option A, take in light and help make food for the plant. Now how does leaf prepare food? Let us quickly revise. By the process of photosynthesis, leaves prepare food in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide using chlorophyll, which is already present in the leaf, which gives out oxygen and glucose. Next question. Question number 4. What 3 things does a plant need to grow? Yes, option A is food, friends. Is it friends? And orange juice. B, water, light and warmth. So I guess everyone knows the correct answer. It is option B, water, light and warmth. So with this we conclude today's session. Thank you.